I'm going to give you directions, and then I'm going to give you something once you're with your partners. Okay? This is your job. I need you to walk at least 6 feet. These are the rules. 6 feet. You have to walk at least 6 feet. You can walk more. And you can't work with anybody at your table. So I want you to go find another partner right now. Walk.
That was definitely 6 feet.
I'll know when there's a partner. There's partners around. I'm going to hand you something when I see you have a partner.
I guess you could be partner.
Okay, let's see if somebody's here. Who else doesn't have a partner? Here we go. I found your partner for you. Okay, say hello to your partner. Okay, next. Everybody listening? This is what I want you to do. You have something in front of you, and what I want you to do with this is you and your partner are going to come up with at least 3 ways to solve it. Start talking now. You got 2 minutes. Go.
We have 2 ways.
What are your 2 ways?
Count by 5, 18 times, and count by 18 5 times.
Okay, so I need to show you something. Somebody is writing something down. Was that the instructions?
No.
No, absolutely not. Nothing in your hand, right? You're just talking, right? Just talking about 3 ways to solve. Awesome.
Just adding all the numbers to multiple out.
So what did you come up with?
Multiplication and standard algorithm and division.
What do you mean division?
You get the answer right on the checkbook for the right answer. You divide it and get back to
Okay.
Okay, everybody stop. Nothing. Okay. Perfect. I see. Okay, so what I want you and your partners to do together, you ready? If you came up with 1 way, I want both you and your partners to hold up 1 finger. If you came up with 2 ways, I want you and your partner to hold up 2 fingers. If you came up with 3 ways, I want you to hold up fingers for 3 fingers. Okay. 4 ways. I want to see 4. Who's got 4? Awesome. Anybody have 5 different ways?
No, you need 5. I can name all of them.
Okay, well, we'll see if you guys can do that. That's awesome. Okay, so here we go. I want everybody to listen carefully. You're going to listen to your peers, and you got to listen carefully, okay? And then you're going to tell us if you have that. Okay, I'm going to start right here since you're right beside me. Give us 1 way. Everybody listen closely. 1 way you solved that problem.
We said you can use algorithm and you can multiply an algorithm.
Okay, could you tell me, okay, just stop there. Algorithm. We need to write algorithm up there. Okay, so could you tell me what you mean by algorithm? I don't know if I know what that means.
You can add 18 5 times an algorithm.
Okay, stop there. Just algorithm, okay? So, and then I heard something else you just said. You said you could add 18 5 times, okay? So she was doing what we call repeated addition to do multiplication. She actually had 2 ways, she said, that just came out of your mouth, so I had to take both. Okay, guys, tell me. Give me another way that's not up there. We've got algorithm and repeated addition.
We kind of broke it. You can do 5 times 10. 10.
Oh, 5 times 10. Oh, I like that. That's like using what we call break apart or, yeah, decomposing.
And then 5 times 8.
Plus 5 times 8. They decompose the numbers, or sometimes break apart is what we call that. That's great. Okay, we're up to 3. That's awesome. Okay, ladies, your turn. Give me one.
You could round this to 20 and then do that times 5 and then minus 2. Maybe?
So she's doing rounding. She was rounding numbers. Okay, wait, I'm going to go back here. What did these gentlemen say? Break apart, break apart, decomposing. What did these ladies say over here? Algorithm, and then they also added another one in there. Repeated addition. And then these ladies over here said rounding. They were rounding. Okay, so we've got 4 ways. Okay, I'm coming back here. You know it.
Okay,
What's another way that's not all up there?
we did repeated addition, but that's already up there.
Okay.
We did it 2 ways, 18 5 times and 5 2.
Oh, okay. They use commutative property. I'm going to go there. Okay, so they said 18 times 5, and they also did 5 times 18. That's the commutative property. Ooh, I'm going to move you to 6th grade. That's awesome. Okay, so that's very, very good. Okay, so we're coming down. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up there. Okay, so you just changed the problem around a little bit. Okay, gentlemen, what do you got? Oh, tell me about that method.
So you draw like a square,
A square, okay.
and then you draw like a line like on the bottom and then on the top. And then if it's, for example, like 18,
Okay.
you write a 10, and then you write an 8, and then just pretend that this is 15, a 10, and then a 5. You multiply 10 by 10, 8 by 10, 8 by 5, and 10 by 5.
Okay, you guys, did everybody hear what he just said? Who has the visual in your head of the box? Come on, who has it? Partial products is what that calls. It's one of my favorite methods. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you said that. That's going to help you because your fabulous teacher is going to start making you multiply 3 by 2 numbers. This is only a 2 by 1, and you guys already know all those ways to multiply. You know what? We didn't ask you, and I'm just going to ask you for fun now that we've listed every way we could possibly multiply. Thank you for that visual too. I was going to make you come up with a model, but I think we have our model. Anybody think of a model? I love thinking of models. You got something else?
Yeah. So basically, you could like divide it.
Okay, tell me what you mean by divide it.
Like you could just turn it, you could just flip the numbers and like divide it.
Okay, give me your numbers and tell me what you're thinking.
Like,
I love that you can say multiplication is related to division.
because like in the other school, like they taught us like another way you could like solve it. It's like you just flip the numbers and then you just divide it.
Okay, so what he's doing is he's going, what's the answer to this problem? I know I didn't ask you all that.
90.
Okay, and so you're saying if I take 90 and divide it by 5, what would I get? 18. Or if I took 90 divided by 18, what would I get? 5. Absolutely. Thank you. Oh, wait, something else?
I just thought of a hundreds chart. You could use a hundreds chart.
Oh, there's another model, you guys. How many people remember the hundreds chart? There's so many patterns of numbers in there. It's beautiful. It gets me all excited because I love patterns in mathematics. So yeah, a hundreds chart is another model. You guys, I want to thank you guys for doing this. Okay, we have more. We can keep doing these every single day. You have something else?
Maybe a number line.
Maybe a number line. Oh my gosh, look at those models. So now we have a hundreds chart, a number line. You guys, you know how to do this already. I think we're just going to have to sit and just let them do the class, don't you? Because they know everything we're about to do. What else?
You can also count by 5s to get the answer.
Oh, I could count by 5s. I heard somebody saying multiples of 5s earlier,
I
right?
did that at one point.
Yeah. Now, of course, what if I gave you 187 times 5?
Well,
That might be a little longer, but you're right. Okay, what else?
you could also use I think it's a place value chart.
A place value chart. You could put some place value on. Yeah, absolutely. And a model?
Area model?
Area model. Yay! Awesome. You guys, thank you. You guys. A what? A multiplication chart. Absolutely. Look at all those. We have everything up there possible. You guys, I want to thank you guys. If I gave you a more difficult one, like a 2 by 2, would your brains work the same way?
No.
Yeah, they would work the same way. Thanks, you guys. You can return and